Okay, this is Scout's first time using an angle grinder. I showed her how to do it. Hopefully she was watching. She's going to grind down this part for me, and go ahead. I'll get this side too. Get this corner right here. That's pretty good. Of course the camera won't focus, but good job, Scout.
Tap on it.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. I think it looks great.
Good job. Hey guys, this is part 5, I believe it is, of the microbike build. This is just an update video, and as you saw a second ago, that was my sister grinding down that mount that I made for the support beam. As you can see, a lot has been done to it off camera. This is going to be a good update. So, I got the entire seat. Me and my dad did this. It required 2 hands pretty much, or 4 hands, to get all this mounted. We cut down the seat, and I can sit on it now. It feels awesome to finally be able to sit on it. I really like how it's turning out. This is what I wanted. And this is my motor beam and or my motor support beam, and yeah, my sister, I bent it and cut it, but my sister ground it down and made the pulley for this wheel and ground down the parts of the frame right here too, and hooked up the cable. It's just an old bicycle brake, but it works very well. So, yeah, and I got a new spark plug for it. The old one is pretty black. And I got a new pulley wheel because the belt is going to go under here, over this, the tensioning wheel, under this pulley, back over. It can't go back over this because it'll be rubbing up against the other side of the belt, so it has to go back over this, and then back down to here. And I don't remember if I mentioned that I also made this kill switch bracket. And yeah, it's simple, but it works pretty good. And yeah, and what just went flying was my seat foam. I got a Hobby Lobby for like $4. It's just cheap stuff, but it'll work perfect for what I'm doing. So yeah, and I still have to cut down this cable, but I'll do that later. And I mean, it is almost time, guys. Probably one more build video or something, and then it'll be time for the test ride. I hope you guys like how it's turning out, because I sure do. See you later. Sorry, I forgot one more thing I wanted to mention was I told you how I was going to weld this piece right here. Well, our welder is a piece of junk pretty much, and so we just had to JB weld it, and it cracked. But oh well, it still holds me fine. It'll work fine. It looks a little weird, but we'll probably be able to use someone else's welder sometime later, and that'll fix it all. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. Bye guys.